First, identify our accessories: 1 seat back, 2 chair legs, 12 chair leg screws, 2 backrest screws, and a hex wrench. Insert the first backrest into the second seat. Make sure the installation is secure. Unzip the zipper and tighten the backrest screws. Don't forget that the other side needs to repeat this as well. After aligning the screw holes, screw 6 screws into %70. Finally, use a wrench to tighten the screw to 100%. After aligning the screw holes, screw 6 screws into %70. Finally, use a wrench to tighten the screw to 100%. Screw the foot pad to the right height. Now enjoy your new chair.